Hello everyone, I'm here to give you the instructions for the Develop a Solution section. So for this, you're going to be using Fusion 360 and you need to create a CAD model of what you made and had signed off and approved on step 13 of Generate Concepts. So the first thing is to use Fusion 360 and develop a 3D model of your final backpack charm design. Some very important notes. Make sure that your units for your file are set to inches. If you need to know how to do that, watch this video. Make sure that you are dimensioning and using those numbers while you set this. You're not just freehanding it. Otherwise, your object may come out too large or too small. If you need to, you can check the volume of your model and make adjustments to ensure you don't exceed the maximum volume criteria. If you need to know how to do that using Fusion, just do a Google search, how to see volume of object, Fusion 360. When you're done with the basic 3D model, give me an isometric screenshot in the home position on your submission document and try to include the browser on the left-hand side. I'll show you an example. Now, this is in a different program, but the idea is the same. Right here, you can see that we have the screenshot in the home view, and then I can see all of the features and what you've done in the browser over here. I need to see that to determine whether you made an efficient model or not. The next step is 15 to create a multi-view drawing with dimensions of your design. We haven't talked about notes and adding them, so I'm not worried about that. However, I'll allow you to do it for bonus points, and as a matter of fact, I will change this and say that for bonus points, figure out how to include the notes on that. And basically, a quick Google search should give you that one. So indicate measurement units, material, and physical properties. Give me a screenshot of your multi-view with dimensions in your submission document. Once again, if you have forgotten how to create the multi-view drawing file with dimensions, you can click this video right here where I'll walk you through how to do it. That screenshot will go in as well. Let's take a look. Here we can see our multi-view file. I can see where the dimensions are on it, and I have all of my drawings here. Have your partner review your design, make sure that you've done everything correctly. It's always good to have a second set of eyes, but that will complete the develop a solution portion. So let's take a quick look at the rubric to see how that's graded. I'm going to judge whether you've given me a highly efficient computer model with enough detail to show design intent and can be used to inform design decisions. What that means is you hadn't added a bunch of unnecessary extrusions and cuts. You've just done what's needed in as few steps as possible. That's highly efficient. Enough detail to demonstrate design intent means that you have included the same amount of detail and you've shown that you made what you did in your isometric sketch. The next step here is to accurately generate your multi-view drawing using CAD software to describe the part. So that's a correctly done multi-view. And part of the construct and test is that your dimension multi-view is included and it shows that the dimensions are met. So this here is saying that you generated a dimension multi-view and you've done it accurately. The construct and test, and we'll get to that, means that your dimension multi-view gives proof that you met the design constraints given. But this is just a correctly done multi-view with dimensions. And that covers the develop a solution portion of the project.